Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here. How's it going? Today's recipe vlog is a quickie pizza because it is not baked but rather baked on stove top. It's pretty simple to make. It's pretty quick to prepare as well, and it's pretty yummy if I may say so myself. Anyways, check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. So this is 1.5 cup of strong baker's flour, the enriched flour, and super generous pinches of fine sea salt. So it should be like half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon sea salt. We're just gonna mix it, and then we're gonna add in 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, directly to the flour. If you are using active dry yeast, of course you have to soften it or bloom it first, but this is instant yeast, so just add indirectly to your flour or bowl and then just mix it. And then we're gonna pour in oil and water. The water is lukewarm, about 100 milliliter. And the oil is about 2 tablespoons. You can use any vegetable oil, but today I'm using extra virgin olive oil. And you just want to mix and knead it and then let rest. Now wrap the dough and let it rest for at least an hour, 45 minutes to 1 hour. While dough is resting or proving, we're gonna make the topping or filling. So this is 3 all beef wieners. We're just gonna slice it thin. One slice, set aside the beef wieners, and then we're gonna slice thinly 1 shallots and 2 garlic. Heat 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil and saute the garlic and onion until softened and fragrant. Now we're gonna add in our sliced wieners, beef wieners. And just stir fry. So you kind of want to brown the wieners. Pour in half tin of tomato condensed soup. And 1/4 cup of sweet corn kernels. And then we're gonna season this mixture with oregano, basil, sweet paprika powder, caraway or fennel seeds to taste, and not forgetting also vegeta powder. If you don't have vegeta powder, just a little salt and sugar or MSG if you like, or you can omit that because this tomato condensed soup already has the flavor, obviously, and we're not adding any water. And take off from stove or take off from heat, and your topping is ready to be used for the pizza. Once dough is rested, we're gonna dump it on our pan. You need a pan with a lid. So this is a stove-top pizza, not baked pizza. It's just the simplest, laziest pizza ever. You just want to dump it right away onto your pan, and then we're gonna stretch it with our fingers. Dump it. Don't forget to grease or oil your pan first and just stretch the dough as large as your pan with your finger like so. And with a fork we're gonna poke it everywhere. And then we're gonna spread a little of the condensed tomato soup, just tiny bit, and spread it all over. You just can tap it before we add our topping. You can sprinkle some more spices if you like, of oregano, basil, fennel, and thyme. And now we're gonna top it with cheese, obviously. As generous as you like. It's ready. Top with the lid, and then we're gonna cook it on stovetop on lower heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Pizza's done, just slice and serve. Your pan pizza is done.